Hey y'all, when you think of especially summer holidays, do you think of barbecue chicken, barbecue ribs, burgers, hot dogs, a little bit of fish on the grill or fried fish, maybe a sausage link, macaroni and cheese and greens and baked potatoes and cornbread, corn on the cob and peach cobbler, pound cake, and all the yummy things that go along with that holiday? Yeah, I imagine you probably do. And so with that, I want to equip you with making sure that you leave that barbecue feeling good and not guilty, because probably you're working on some goals or you have some goals that you want to work on, and this might be a good time to get started. So here's the deal. What I want you to think about is surveying the buffet. What do I mean by that? When you get there to the barbecue, usually what we do is we get our plate and we walk through the line and we get a little bit of everything, and our plate is mounted up and we've got all kinds of everything on the plate. Some of the stuff you might like, you might love, you might eat, and some stuff you just eat just because it is there. It's on your plate and it's like, it's here, I'm socializing, I'm eating. I might not necessarily want it, but it was made available to me. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get what you really and truly want, and I want to make sure that you are leaving that barbecue feeling good and not guilty. So how do we do that? We survey the buffet. How do you survey the buffet? Before you even get your plate, when you get there, you walk through, you look at all the offerings that are made, and you make sure that you choose maybe a protein, you use some veggies, and then a starch that are your must-haves. And you make sure those things end up on your plate. And the other stuff, you feel like, you know what, I don't know if I really need this. Make sure that maybe stays off your plate, or it goes for that to-go plate that you might have tomorrow or later on in the evening. Also, too, you want to think, this is something even better as a bonus. Start it before you even get there. What are the things in your mind you're like, ooh, these are my gotta-haves. Can't do the barbecue without this food or these foods. Make sure those things end up on your plate, because usually that's really and truly all you want. It's just the other stuff is being made available to you. So don't eat just because somebody's offering it to you, but eat because it's something you really and truly want, and you will enjoy it, and you will leave that barbecue feeling good and not guilty. You'll be able to do the electric slide, play some games, take a walk, do all the things, and feel like you're leaving as your best self instead of your gluttonous self. And you will feel good, and you will stay on track with your goals. All right, y'all, I hope you're having a great day and hope you have an amazing holiday. Take care, be well, put your sunscreen on, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye.